identifying R107 SL factory extras. In the final years of its production, the R107 SL featured a more extensive range of standard equipment, including conveniences such as heated door mirrors and vanity mirrors. For those with bigger budgets, the R107 SL could be ordered with an additional range of optional extras. These included airbags for the driver, clearly marked on the steering wheel. An outside temperature gauge was also available and can be found between the two air vents in the center of the dashboard. For additional comfort, air conditioning and heating were available and are indicated by two dials found on the heater panel of the center console. Heated seats offered further comfort and can be determined by two buttons located on either side of the hazard warning switch. With the R107's touring traits, owners could specify cruise control indicated by a stalk above the indicator and light stalk and is marked with accelerate and decelerate. Additional options included rear seats in leather, MB-Tex or cloth, as well as orthopedic support for the driver and front passenger. R107 SL owners could also specify a fire extinguisher, which could be found mounted to the passenger's seat.